Most woodworkers are using the wrong table saw, and it's silently killing their productivity. After weeks of brutal testing, we finally found the one saw that outcuts, outlasts, and outperforms every competitor on this list. All of the links are in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's jump into the video. Number 5 on our list, Metabo HPT C10 Table Saw. Rip capacity often separates good table saws from truly exceptional ones, and Metabo HPT wins decisively here. Metabo HPT's C10 delivers an outstanding 35 inches rightward and 22 inches leftward, surpassing most job site competitors significantly. Your woodworking projects benefit from a robust 15-amp motor spinning at 4,500 revolutions per minute consistently. Hardwoods, composites, and dimensional lumber all surrender cleanly under this machine's precise cutting action. Competing saws frequently bury these controls awkwardly, frustrating operators during critical mid-project adjustments. Outfeed support stabilizes longer materials safely, enabling solo operators to handle oversized workpieces confidently. Japanese engineering traditions shine through every precisely machined component and thoughtfully designed feature. Fold and roll stand design enables quick, stable setup across diverse job site environments without hassle. Each kit arrives fully equipped, including carbide-tipped blade, guard assembly, anti-kickback pawls, miter gauge, and multiple wrenches. Weighing 96 pounds, transportation demands more physical effort compared to lighter competing portable models. Collectively, these features establish this saw as exceptional value for serious woodworking professionals. Next, BOSCH GTS-15 Table Saw. Safety and smart engineering rarely combine this elegantly in a job site table saw. BOSCH's GTS-15 redefines what professionals should expect from portable cutting equipment today. Your blade stops completely within 3 seconds, dramatically reducing dangerous downtime between cuts. Competing saws often lack this convenience brake feature, making BOSCH's solution genuinely impressive. Soft start circuitry manages motor startup intensity, minimizing frustrating circuit breaker trips on busy job sites. Electronically regulated speed maintains consistent cutting performance even under demanding heavy loads. Color-coded rack and pinion fence adjustments make accurate setup faster than virtually any rival model. Clamp zone areas transform your tabletop into valuable secondary workspace during complex, multi-stage projects. Smart Guard System delivers unobstructed cut visibility, while anti-kickback pawls and riving knife actively protect operators. Gravity Rise Wheeled Stand enables single-action setup and breakdown, saving precious time between locations. Its 32 to 1/8 inch rip capacity handles most standard sheet materials and 4x4 lumber in single passes. Running at 3,800 revolutions per minute, this saw trails slightly behind competitors offering higher no-load speeds. Collectively, these intelligent features position this saw above most similarly priced job site competitors. Innovative safety technology makes this model worth every dollar spent. At number 3, SKILSAW SPT99 Table Saw. Worm drive technology has long dominated circular saws, and SKILSAW finally brings that legendary power to table saws. SPT99 immediately separates itself from conventional table saw competitors with superior torque delivery. Your toughest plywood sheets and dense 4x lumber surrender quickly under this machine's aggressive cutting action. Few portable saws match its impressive 3 to 5/8 inch depth of cut capability at full capacity. Competing job site models often sacrifice torque for portability, but this saw refuses that compromise. SKILSAW's patented dual-field motor runs dramatically cooler, enabling longer, harder work sessions without performance degradation. Rack and pinion fence adjustments feel precise, smooth, and completely reliable during demanding rip cuts. Job site mobility reaches new heights with rugged 16-inch wheels, conquering stairs and uneven terrain effortlessly. Outfeed and left support extensions allow solo operators to handle oversized materials independently and safely. Its 30 to 1/2 inch rip capacity handles most standard sheet materials without requiring additional support equipment. Dust management, however, relies on a basic port elbow rather than a more comprehensive integrated collection system. Overall, professionals wanting worm drive performance in portable form will find this saw genuinely revolutionary. Powerful torque, smart cooling, and exceptional mobility make this purchase extremely worthwhile. Next, DEWALT 7491 Table Saw. Serious woodworkers deserve a saw that keeps pace with their ambitions, and DEWALT delivers exactly that. DEWALT's 7491 table saw arrives ready to tackle demanding job site challenges immediately. Your most ambitious cuts become manageable with its impressive 32 to 1/2 inch rip capacity. Hardwood floor installers, cabinet makers, and deck builders will each find tremendous value here. Competing saws rarely match this versatility across so many professional trades. Powering through dense hardwoods, its 15-amp motor spins blades at 4,800 revolutions per minute effortlessly. Rack and pinion telescoping fence adjustments feel smooth, fast, and remarkably accurate every time. Setup and breakdown become surprisingly quick with its purpose-built rolling stand design. Telescoping fence rails retract, creating a compact, easily transportable package between work sites. Dust stays controlled through a 2 to 1/2 inch collection port connecting directly to standard vacuums. Onboard storage keeps your blade guard, riving knife, miter gauge, wrenches, and push stick perfectly organized. Buyers should note this package requires a separate purchase for extension tables on wider projects. Combined, these features make this saw exceptionally well-rounded for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. Rolling mobility truly sets this model apart from stationary competitors. Finally, we present to you our number 1, Milwaukee Toe 736 Table Saw. Cordless table saws rarely deliver corded level power, but Milwaukee changed that game entirely. Milwaukee impresses with its power state brushless motor, matching a 15-amp corded circular saw's performance. Working on job sites, you'll appreciate never hunting for outlets again. Cutting full 4x8 plywood sheets becomes effortless with its generous 24 to 1/2 inch rip capacity. Similar cordless models often struggle here, making this advantage significant for professionals. RedLink Plus Intelligence actively protects your investment during demanding, heavy-duty applications. Overload protection saves both your tool and battery from costly damage. All-metal construction handles rough job site conditions better than plastic-framed competitor models. Onboard storage keeps your guard, riving knife, push stick, fence, and miter gauge organized and accessible. Anti-kickback pawls add a critical safety layer during demanding rip cuts. Rack and pinion fence adjustment delivers consistently square, accurate results every single time. Purchasing this bare tool means budgeting separately for batteries and charger. Overall, professionals wanting cordless freedom without sacrificing cutting performance will find this saw genuinely transformative. Compatible across Milwaukee's entire M18 system, this investment keeps paying dividends.